Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. We got a Laney GH100L from 1995 on the bench. We're having some trouble with the output jacks. What's going on? Low volume, it's distorted. Nothing's going right. Let's take a peek inside. This will be a quick one. I don't have a lot of time today, but thank you for joining me anyway. Bye-bye. Hey, what do you say, guys? Top of the morning. I am inside of a Laney GH100L. This one's from 1995. And it's got a very odd setup with a toroidal transformer down there. You know what I'm talking about, the little wiry donut for the output transformer. Well, unfortunately, the 4 and 8 ohm taps on this guy are shot. The tap that's good, and the only one remaining is the 16 ohm tap. So thankfully, the owner has a 16 ohm load he could run the thing into. This is a beautiful sounding amp, by the way. It has 2 interactive gain controls. It does edge of breakup and just really tight and saturated overdrive like nobody's business. This is my first time playing on one. I've heard them a lot on a lot of recordings, but it's been a treat. We're not going to be replacing the output transformer in this job, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the 4 and 8 ohm secondaries, and I've disconnected them from the jacks, and I'm taping them off, and I'm going to wire tie them to the rest of the lumen here. And this white lead here is the negative feedback that I'll be attaching to the 16 ohm tap, and that will change the ratio of negative feedback being applied, but not in a way that will be destructive to the tone, especially when you're dealing with a heap of preamp gain and saturation. So that's about it. I've got an early day today, so I'm gonna get this done, and then I'll give you guys a quick and dirty sample through the 412, which is so obstructed by work that only one of the drivers is peeking through. So we'll see what's up with that. Bye. All right. Now, I just ran a new wire for the negative feedback. I installed a more reliable jack for the 16 ohm output, and I just disconnected these guys here, and you can see that I just heat shrank the tips there, and then got some little green zip ties there to organize things, and we're in business. So see if I can get a quick sound sample before I get out of here. Bye-bye.
A Boise, Idaho woman is considered a medical miracle. Laura Esterman was struck by lightning nearly a month ago, and she was considered officially dead. Thankfully, CPR from her mom revived her heart, but she laid in a coma for 2 weeks, and then she defied all odds and woke up.
I should buy
Well, obviously, there was a problem with that tape. She doesn't really sound like that. She doesn't remember the accident, but the evidence is clear. I am so sorry.